Good morning to my dear students. Students, today I am going to discuss about the last chapter, environment. Students, as we all know that environment is a word which is made up of two words, environ and ment. Environ means all the things around us. Ment means cover. Means environment is a cover uh, of all the things which are around us, or environment is a kind of cover, or all the cover around us, or all the things around us can be included as environment. So it is mentioned here, it is the sum total of the external condition and influences that affect the life and development of an organism. Means all the things which are around an organism can be considered as environment. ठीक है, that is the environment includes all the physical, all the abiotic, all the biotic factors. Means suppose I am one individual and all the things around me can be considered as environment. All the abiotic components, air, water, soil, all the biotic component, all the living organism, plants, all the bacterias, all the plants, animals, these can be considered as the component of environment. Now I want to discuss few more terms: biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances which are present in the atmosphere or which are present in the environment. So biodegradable substances are those substances which can be broken down further. Means those substances in which can be decomposed, or which in which due to the microbial action which can be break down into the smaller substances or simpler substances can be considered as biodegradable substances. Or it is mentioned here, biodegradable substances are those substances which are broken down into simpler or harmless substances for nature, and this is done due to the activity of the microorganism or bacteria. For example, domestic waste products, urine, fecal material, ठीक है, सीवेज, एग्रीकल्चर रेसिड्यूज, पेपर, वुड, क्लॉथ एंड कैटल डंग आर कंसिडर्ड एज biodegradable wastes, while non-biodegradable substances are those substances which cannot be broken down into the simpler harmless substances. ठीक है, and these are we can say that these are the pollute we can consider them pollutant because these are, if they are not going to degrade, they are not going to convert into the simpler substances, they will start to accumulate and they will destroy our environment. ठीक है, and they can harm the organisms too. I am giving you some examples like DDT, plastic, polythene bags, insecticide, pesticides, mercury, lead, arsenic, metals like aluminum, some radioactive wastes are considered as non-biodegradable substances. Now we discussed environment. I told you that what are biodegradable substances, what are non-biodegradable substances. Now I want to discuss that what is ecosystem. Since we know that in our environment there are different kind of components, some are biotic component which are living, some are abiotic component which are non-living. So I want to tell you that these biotic and biotic components are interacting with each other, and their interaction is developing a particular system, and this system can be referred as ecosystem. So if somebody is going to ask you that what is ecosystem, so you can say that it's a structural or functional unit of biosphere. Biosphere means a zone where the life zone is there. ठीक है, where all the biotic components are interacting with each other, or biotic components are interacting with abiotic component. So the system which is developed due to the interaction between biotic and abiotic component, or biotic component, is referred as ecosystem. Now I want to discuss that what are these biotic components. So as you all know that biotic component means all the living components of an ecosystem can be considered as biotic components. These may be plants, animals, human beings, microorganism, bacteria, fungus, all those living organisms, all the organisms who are living can be considered as biotic components. Now I want to tell you that what are these biotic components. Biotic components may be producers, they may be consumers, or they may be decomposers. While what are abiotic components? Abiotic components means all non-living component of an ecosystem can be considered as abiotic component. Now what are these? Air is a non-living component, water is a non-living component, soil and minerals can be considered as abiotic component, and along with some climatic factors like temperature, sunlight, rainfall, humidity, pressure, wind can also be considered as abiotic component. So I think so you are able to identify what are biotic and what are abiotic component. Biotic components are living component, and these are of three different type. Producers, including green plants who are capable to synthesize their own food, are considered as producers. Now the consumers are those organisms who are depending on other organisms for their food, like herbivores. they are directly depending on the producers like carnivores. ठीक है, and consumers may be of different types. They may be primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. ठीक है, primary consumer are directly dependent on herbs or plants, while secondary consumers are dependent on primary consumer, tertiary are depending on secondary or primary consumer. So there are variety of consumers are there, and the last ones are called as decomposers are those microorganisms, these may be some bacteria or these may be some fungus, which are helping in the degradation of the biodegradable substances or living organisms, or they are, we can say that they are the cleaning agents. ठीक है, they are decomposing or degrading the organic matter and converting it into the simpler forms. So these can be considered as biotic component, while the abiotic are non-living, as I mentioned earlier also. Now finally I am talking about the types of ecosystem. So ecosystem may be of two different types. The first one is called as natural ecosystem, and initially I want to revise once again ki what is ecosystem. Ecosystem is a system which is developed due to the interaction between living and living component or living or non-living component, and it is of two types: natural ecosystem or man-made ecosystem. If we will talk about the natural ecosystem, तो natural ecosystem may be terrestrial ecosystem or aquatic ecosystem. ठीक है, I am telling you one example of natural ecosystem which is present in land. Forest is the example, grassland is the example, desert is the example. While if I will talk about the aquatic ecosystem, pond is a natural ecosystem, lake is a natural ecosystem, river is a natural ecosystem, ocean is a natural ecosystem. While if I will talk about human made or artificial ecosystem, so you can see that there are various crop fields around us. ठीक है, these are the example of artificial or man made ecosystem. Gardens are there, parks are there. Or while I am talking about the aquatic, so aquarium is a very good example of the man-made or artificial ecosystem. So in this way, we discussed about environment. I told you that what is ecosystem, what are the component of ecosystem, and what are the different types of ecosystem. I hope so you understood today's topic. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.